Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hamida Izzat bin Yusin Rasham. So our next chapter is chapter 4, Measuring the Success of Strategic Initiative. Key Performance Indicator. Key performance indicators are used to measures that are tied to business drivers. Metrics are detailed measures that fit KPIs. Performance metrics fall into the nebulous area of business intelligence that is neither technology nor business-centered, but requires input from both IT and business professionals. This is efficiency and effectiveness IT metrics. In efficiency IT metrics, it is used to measure the performance of the IT system itself, including throughput, speed, and availability. It also focuses on the extent to which an organization is using its resources in an optimal way, doing things right. For effectiveness IT metrics, it is used to measure the impact IT has on business processes and activities, including customer satisfaction, conversion rates, and sell-through increases. It is used to focus on how well an organization is achieving its goal and objective, doing the right things. So now we go to benchmarking. Baseline matrix. Benchmark is a baseline value that system seeks to attain, while benchmarking are a process of continuously measuring system results, comparing those results to optimal system performance, and identifying steps and procedures to improve system performance. For efficiency IT metrics, we have throughput, which is the amount of information that can travel through a system at any point in time. We have speed, the amount of time a system takes to perform a transaction. Availability is used as the number of hours a system is available for users. Accuracy is the extent to which a system generates correct result when executing the same transaction numerous times. Response time is the time it takes to respond to users' interaction, such as a mouse click. Web traffic, it includes a host of benchmarks such as the number of page views, the number of unique visitors, and the average time spent viewing a web page. In effectiveness IT metrics, we have usability, the ease with which people perform transactions or find information. A popular usability matrix on the internet is degrees of freedom, which measures the number of clicks required to find desired information. Next, customer satisfaction, measured by such benchmark as satisfaction surveys, percentage of existing customers retained, and increases in revenue dollars per customer. Conversion rates, the number of customers an organization touch for the first time and persuades to purchase its products or services. And last but not least, we have financial, such as return on investment, cost-benefit analysis, and break-even analysis. Metric for measuring and managing strategic initiative. We have website metric, supply chain management metrics, customer relationship management matrix, business process re-engineering (BPR) matrix, enterprise resource planning matrix. In website metrics, we have abandoned registration. This is the number of visitors who start the process of completing a registration page and then abandon the activity. Next, we have abandoned shopping carts. Number of visitors who create a shopping cart and start shopping and then abandon the activities before paying for the merchandise. Then we have click-through, count of the number of people who visit a site, click on an ad, and are taken to the site of advertiser. Conversion rate, percentage of potential customers who visit a site and actually buy something, cost per thousand CPM, sales dollar generated per dollar of advertising. This is commonly used to make the case for spending money to appear on a search engine. Page exposure, average number of page exposure to an individual visitors. Total hit, number of visitors to a website, many of which may be the same visitors. Unique visitors, number of unique visitors to a site in a given time. Supply chain management SCM metrics. We have back order. Back order is an unfilled customer order. Customer order promise cycle time. The anticipated or agreed upon cycle time of a purchase order. Next, customer order actual cycle time. The average time it takes to actually fill a customer's purchase order. In addition, we have inventory replenishment cycle time. This is used to measures of the manufacturing cycle time plus the time included to deploy the product to the appropriate distribution center. Last but not least, we have inventory turnover. This is the number of time that a company's inventory cycle or turnover per year. Customer Relationship Management (CRM) metrics. In this subtopic, we have three CRM metrics. It is sales metric, service metric, and marketing metrics. BPR and ERP metrics divided into four sections, which is financial, internal business process, learning and growth, and also customer. That's all from me for chapter 4. Thank you for listening.